I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over finding products to promote as an affiliate. There's tons of different places you can find affiliate products to promote, and the biggest of all is the Amazon Associates program. The Amazon Associates program allows you to sell products on Amazon for a commission. If you send someone to their site through your link, you'll get a commission up to 10% of the total sale price. As you know, Amazon have loads and loads of different products in loads and loads of different categories, so no matter what niche you're in, you're bound to find something to sell on Amazon. Amazon's commissions are a lot lower than a lot of other programs because they're physical products and they don't own the products on the site. So there's lots of other places you can get much higher commissions. Here's a list of just a few of the affiliate marketplaces that are available today. They can sell all sorts of different products, from info products to physical products to everything in between. And they all give out a varying amount of commission depending on the product. When looking for products to promote, there's a few stats that you should keep in mind, and I'm going to use JVZoo for this example. JVZoo sell mostly digital products in the make money online niche. Here you can see some of the stats. So it tells you how many have sold. Obviously, if there's more sold, it tells you that there's a good converting product, but it also means if there's lots sold that it could be more saturated and more people are promoting it. Here you can see the launch date. Obviously, an older product is not going to be as relevant now as a newer product, so something from 2014 I wouldn't want to promote, but something in 2018 would be a lot more relevant now than something that was that long ago. You can also see the conversion, so this is hugely important. This means out of how many people have clicked to the page, how many people have actually bought. And EPC is a critical stat that you need to know, and it stands for earnings per click. That means out of all the clicks that went to the page, on average, how much did each click earn? In the next column you can see the average price of the product, so the average price, the average cart value of each customer who went through and purchased. Obviously, if something's $1 and you're only getting a few cents commission, you don't want to promote a product like that, so the higher the average price, the better. The next column you can see the commission that someone's offering. Obviously, higher commission is a good indicator. And then last but not least is refund. Having a high refund rate shows that people may not be living up to their sales page. If their sales page promises the world and then they don't deliver, then you're going to have a really high refund rate. So make sure you check out for what the refund rates are. And there's a few other stats here which are important. So it tells you that if the seller is a premium seller, it means they've put a lot of products out and they're a trusted seller. And if it's got this icon, it means it's been featured as the product of the day. So it's a really high converting offer and it's been chosen to be featured. This icon means that they're a top ranked seller in the top 5%, so they're very trusted. And this icon means that there's multiple products in a funnel. So you can see the upsells, the downsells, and all the stats for each item. Probably one of the most important things that I look for when I choose a product to promote is whether it's recurring or not. Because recurring products can make you so much more money. If you promote a non-recurring product, you're going to get paid one time and that's it. You put all your effort into promoting a product and then boom, that's one payment, all done. You don't see anything from it again. But when you have recurring payments, you get paid month after month, week after week, however frequent that you get paid, and you can build up recurring income, which is one of the most favorite things that I like about affiliate products, is recurring payments that you get month after month. That's one of the most important things that I look for when choosing a product to promote. Is it recurring and can I build up a nice recurring income from it? So they're the most important things to look for when you're choosing a product. Of course, one of the best products to promote is Builderall. It's completely recurring. You can build up a brilliant recurring income with it. It's a top rated product. Has a really high EPC, they've sold tens of thousands, it has a really high conversion rate and a really high commission rate as well, and a low refund rate. That would be a product which I would definitely go for because it has such high stats and a good recurring commission. So another thing you want to be on the lookout for as an affiliate is launches. Now, launches are products that haven't been launched yet, that haven't been released yet, but you can make good money on a launch. One reason is because there can be a lot of hype around launches, there can be a lot of build up, and there's also not much competition with products that have already been launched. There's going to be YouTube videos out there, there's going to be websites out there already, and it's going to be a lot harder to rank for something that people have already promoted. But if there's a launch, then there's not going to be as much competition, there's not going to be as much YouTube videos out there, so that's your chance to put some content out, put some YouTube videos out, and get ranked higher up for the launches, for the keywords, for the products. One of the biggest launch trackers is called Muncheye, and Muncheye watches for a lot of the big launches. You can plan accordingly for when you want to promote. For example, if there's a product being released in a week, you can click on the product and you can look at the product, you can see what the front end price is, the commissions, is it recurring, and read all about the product and decide whether you want to promote it. And then it gives you some time to make your YouTube videos, make your web pages, try and rank and get some traffic ready for the launch. When it's a big launch and there's a lot of people promoting it, there's going to be a lot of people searching for it on the search engines and YouTube. Most people search for products when they first hear about them. They don't buy on the first contact. If you have good content out there, good YouTube videos on a product that's about to launch, you can get a lot of traffic that way. So launches are another great way to promote affiliate products and choose affiliate products to promote. In this video, we went over finding products to promote as an affiliate.